Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog for you guys. I've recently been trying to get back into my routine of like waking a bit earlier and like having breakfast and just like getting into a routine of working out, and so I thought I would share with you guys this journey of me trying to get back into it. I've kind of been spending the last few days just really working out and just focusing on eating healthier, and so I thought I would share with you guys kind of how I'm doing that, and hopefully this can motivate me to like push harder and like really like stick to this routine, because I love routines. I love like waking up early and just kind of getting my day started. I feel a lot better. So yeah, I thought I would share kind of this journey. So I think I'm going to be vlogging for the next few days, just sharing with you guys different workouts I'm doing and just kind of ways to stay motivated, because for the past few weeks I haven't really been working out, and I've kind of just been snacking a lot, and I just don't like that. I don't feel good, and so hopefully this can inspire you guys to get back on track with your fitness goals and whatever you're kind of going after, and whether it's waking up early, trying to be productive, anything like that. And so hopefully this video motivates you. Anyways, I'm just going to kind of get everything started in terms of my working out material. Anyways, I'm just going to like put on my gym shoes and actually like get my water and just prep for working out, and so I'm going to do that right now. But I thought I would quickly intro this vlog. I think I'm gonna do a dance workout, and the one that I really have been following is by this YouTuber Tegan Dixon. I think she's Australian, and I love watching her workouts. She's actually doing a 2-week like shred challenge right now, which I'm following as well. So I'm doing that every other day when I'm not doing her dance workouts. So today I'm going to be doing her dance workouts. Yesterday I did the lean legs workout, and then tomorrow I'm going to be doing her toned arms workout. And so it's really fun. It's a lot. It's very difficult, or not very difficult. I guess it's difficult because I'm just getting into working out again, but it left me so sore. I'm still sore right now, and it's crazy. I was dying, but yeah, I love doing the dance workouts, and I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit of that workout. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get everything like together and get everything prepared, and then we can work out.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough.
Yeah, I look like a tomato and I'm sweating a lot, and so you can tell that I really gain a sweat whenever I do a dance workout or anything like cardio. And so yeah, I just thought I would hop in here. Also, I'm probably gonna time lapse me dancing and doing this workout, because I've been looking at the footage and I'm like, I look so funny. So yeah, I just thought I would put that out there, that I would show you guys me dancing like in like regular time, but like I just look so funny and ridiculous. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. Anyways, I'm going to do some stretches and wind down my body, and then I'm going to jump in the shower. Finished getting out of the shower. I put on normal clothing. I'm going to be actually filming for this vlog like a little bake with me, and I just thought I would look better if I had nice clothes on, and so that's why I'm wearing this. But yeah, I thought I would just update you guys that I just finished taking a shower. I actually want to talk about this really cool shampoo that I've been trying out. It's actually made my hair so soft, like it's insane. It's all the way here. Hopefully it's not super wet, but it's this one right here. It is the John Frieda Detox and Repair with avocado oil and green tea. And I just have the shampoo right here, as you can see, but it's actually really nice. It's made my hair super soft, and it also like kind of like tames like the frizziness in a way, and so that has been super helpful. And yeah, I've been obsessed with it, and it doesn't also make my hair super greasy, which is good. And so yeah, I just wanted to talk about that shampoo because I've been trying it out for the past, this is my second time using it since I do wash my hair every other day, but it's honestly, it made my hair super soft, and I don't know, I love it. I want to share with you guys if you guys are looking for a shampoo. It's not super expensive, but it's not like the cheapest ones at the drugstore. So yeah, but definitely if you are looking for a shampoo, definitely try that one out. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish getting ready, do my skincare, eat lunch, and then probably in a couple of hours I will share with you guys this really cool recipe that I found that's also healthy and just really delicious.
I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between, shedding tears or extremely happy, got no one.
So it's been a few hours now. I'm going to be making blondies for you guys. So I have my ingredients right here, and we're just gonna get right into how to make this recipe. I actually got this idea from the Instagram at No Bread, and so yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a list of the ingredients, the steps, and the instructions obviously, as well as where to check out the recipe, and we can just get right into how to make this. You guys can see it. That is what it looks like. Now I think I'm gonna add a few more chocolate chips. This is going to bake for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or so. So yeah, I have like a bunch of stuff in the actual oven, so I'm gonna take that out and then I will start baking it. Took it out of the oven. It's a good thing I took it out actually, because it's actually cooked already. I like stuck bamboo skewer through it, as I don't know if you guys can tell. I think I poked it there and like there, but yeah, it looks like it's all cooked, and so I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes. I forgot to turn off the timer. But anyways, I'm just going to let this sit for about 5 minutes while I just like finish cleaning up. And yeah, you can see it's kind of like golden brown on the side, so I don't want to like overcook it. So it's a good thing I took it out when I did. I think it tastes good. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm very much of a sweet person, so I kind of like when things are really sweet. Good morning, everyone. Today it is Friday, so it's the next day. I'm sitting here at my kitchen table. I just finished making my chai latte. It was iced earlier, but the ice melted. I would lift it up for you guys, but I feel like I'm gonna spill. Concentration. Okay, yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's like filled all the way to the top. And yeah, I made like, I want to make it actually like authentically, because I kind of like skipped some ingredients, so I feel like it could be better. But yeah, I got inspired to do this because I saw this package of like, I think a vanilla chai latte at the grocery store a couple days ago, and I was like, I've never tried a chai latte and I really want to try it out. And so this is what I did. I don't have like, again, like the other ingredients, like I know you're supposed to use like plain black tea bags and then like cardamom stuff, like I don't really know, other spices and like cloves, but I don't have that. And so yeah, I think I made it a little bit too spicy because I added more ginger than I probably should have, but yeah, I just kind of added a little bit of sugar to like balance it out. I didn't want to, but I was like, I feel like I need something to like sweeten it up a bit. But yeah, I think for breakfast, I'm going to have 2 pieces of bread and then almond butter on it, just because I feel like that's the easiest thing. I made oatmeal yesterday, and I don't want to be too full. Like, I don't want to have a feeling where like I feel full because I want to work out, and I woke up kind of late, so I want to like get the day started. Also, I'm going to be making lunch later, which I'll show you guys. I'm going to be making a cauliflower gnocchi. It's not the Trader Joe's one because I hear a lot of people talking about that one, but I just got like a regular package from the grocery store, and I recently got marinara sauce, so I can finally put the recipe together, because I got like the gnocchi package like a couple weeks ago, and I didn't realize that I needed marinara sauce, and so I finally got that a couple days ago. So we are finally making cauliflower gnocchi. It's definitely long awaited. Yeah, so that's kind of the plan for today. Again, I'm gonna work out in a couple of hours, but let me just eat some food. I'm definitely that type of person to eat food before working out. I just get so like, I feel like my concentration, my focus just goes downhill because I'm thinking about food when I'm working out. I lose my concentration. And so and let me know in the comments down below if you feel the same way, or if you're like me. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going to keep drinking this tea and have breakfast. I have my cauliflower gnocchi here. I've had it like just sitting here for about 10 minutes, and I just opened the package. I have my marinara sauce. I got organic, and then I have salt and pepper to season it off with. So I'm just gonna heat up my pan. Actually, I want to get my here. So ready. So I'm gonna turn up the heat to about maybe like just a 2.5 maybe. I'm like trying to look through it through the phone since I can't tell. Okay, there it is. Okay. I'll just leave it at 2 actually. And then I'm just going to place the melted butter once it gets hot. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna toss in the gnocchi and making sure that I'm like flipping it once it's like golden brown on the side, because I heard it's gonna be a bit sticky, so I don't want to do that. So yeah, it seems pretty easy from the directions, so this won't take too long to make. So I just placed the gnocchi. I think it's been here for about like 2 to 3 minutes, and I've just kind of been slowly stirring it. It's actually cooking quite fast. I actually turned up the heat to about a 2 because earlier it was like only like a 1.5. So I'm just kind of mixing it. It's actually getting quite soft now, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long. Yeah, it's starting to get brown, as you can see, so I'm just kind of mixing it around. So I just put the marinara sauce as well as the salt and pepper, and I used like a decent amount of salt of the pasta. I love a lot of sauce. What can I say? And so yeah, I just did a little taste test. I literally just want to eat this right now, but I have to work out, so this will have to wait. But yeah, it tastes really good. And yeah, I can't wait to eat this, but I can't. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit for like another minute, and then we will be good, and I can finally like plate it and like put it on a bowl and eat it in like an hour.
just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long.
Almost time for me to go to bed. I'm just kind of finishing up editing this video, so I just need to edit this outro for the video, and then I'll be ready to export and upload it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this inspired you to get back into a routine and just get back on track, whatever you are trying to get into, whether it's, you know, being more productive, working out, eating healthier, anything like that. So hopefully this video inspired you and motivated you in some way. And I guess to end off this video, I just wanted to say, if you're feeling overwhelmed, especially if in the state of our country and everything like that, if anything is overwhelming you, take time to focus on yourself. I think that's what I'm trying to do this week, is really just focusing on myself, because a lot has been heavy on my heart. And so I've been trying to find time before I go to bed or sometime within the day to just take time for myself and do things that I love. So I'm sending you guys all my love. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.